with it? Well, I suppose you could. You want me to put the dogs in the truck, or is he all right?
He's fine. He's been hanging around. He just finds little places to lay down and hide. I think he was just laying down somewhere over here.
Yeah, he might have been on the porch. He plays that a lot.
This is pretty much down. Should be good for another quarter century of poo.
Yeah. Well, if you keep doing what I was doing, otherwise you won't. Alright, when we get ready here, we're going to do something just a little bit different. We're going to add a 4x4 on this front edge and then on the back edge. That, and then we're going to angle, so if we ever need to pull it away off the hole, we'll have it on a couple of skids then to go. Well, it would go towards the right here where it would be more open. So we never did that before, but we're just anticipating, I guess, since it's here and available, we'll do that. And just anticipate that down the road, if we ever need to, we'll be able to move it. Might as well do 3 of them, put one in the middle and one on the bottom. Roof now, I think.
Well, that's all right. We just need, now that we got that under, let's go to the other side. And all right, ready?
You missed the hole.
It's easier now, yeah. This is easier now.
Yeah, we'll dig it on. We got the skids on.
Get it over.
I think you gotta lift it up.
It's okay. Enough. Let's look to see where your hole is. Here to here.
There you go, yeah, you gotta lift it up. There we go.
Now slider, Johnny.
Now it'll come this way a little bit, I think.
Go a little further.
Yeah,
Yeah.
not much.
Not much, yeah, it's pretty.
Just gotta square it up, right?
Oh, I see.
Now it might slide from the side.
Yeah.
If we go too much, you're gonna miss the hole on the inside there.
Oh.
Oh yeah, just a little bit I think.
Yeah, it's
Or
gonna
where?
come a couple inches.
No, no, just a little bit. Here.
What's it look like here?
Here you go.
Another,
There we go.
very good, another.
Yeah, that's looking
good,
good
right?
over here. I don't know what that side's like, but
Set it up.
Pretty good.
Get a level.
better.
Yeah, I mean
You wanna
we'll
look down one of the holes and just sort of see if you wanna move it a little bit further.
Perfect. Couldn't have drawn it up any better.
Alright, we're all back in business. Outhouse in place, wiring reconnected, vacuumed out. We're letting it dry because it got rain on it when it tipped over, but everything looks good, and we just got to replace that one sheet of metal roofing up there, which I didn't bring on this trip. So anyway, we had some friends come and help get it back up, as you saw, and we're back in business. Well, we're heading for home. We did a quick trip here Saturday, Sunday. Got the outhouse back together and working properly, and we spent a little time out in the woods and that, and beautiful fall days, so we were glad to get that work done and spend another day or two in the woods. And fall is here, and it's going to be a nice fall, the best time to be here at the cabin. So thank you for watching, and we'll look for you on the next video.